Yes, students, here we are going to have some numericals which is based on the electricity, which is also based on the resistance here. Show how you would connect three resistors, each of resistance 6 ohm, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4. Now what is given to us? We have been given 6 ohm resistance. अब इस क्वेश्चन को हम समझें कि आप रेजिस्टेंस को किस तरह से कनेक्ट करेंगे. 3 रेजिस्टेंसेस दिए हैं आप 6 ओम कि हमको वैल्यू क्या मिल जाए, या तो 9 ओम मिल जाए, 4 ओम मिल जाए. अब सिंपल it is the question is depending सीरीज एंड पैरेलल, इन दो में से कुछ होगा. ये क्वेश्चन जो बेस्ड है, ये न्यूमेरिकल जो बेस्ड है, it is based on the series and parallel connection. Now if we go through this series and parallel connection, we know that R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3 if we have taken 3 resistances. If there are n number of resistances, we can go with that. R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5 up to Rn. Similarly, if we are talking about parallel, then it is 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. But here we have taken 3 resistances. यहाँ पे 3 resistances हैं, 3 resistances हैं. तो 3 resistance के अकॉर्डिंग हमने यहाँ पे इस फार्मूले को यूज किया. अब हम देखें यदि हम 6 ओम को कनेक्ट करते हैं तो 6 plus 6 plus 6 it is going to be 18 ohm and this is not our answer. फिर क्या करें? तो अब एक काम करते हैं, इन तीनों को पैरेलल में लगाते हैं. 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. What we will get, that we will see. Now if we are putting them 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, it is going to be 1 upon R, and 1 upon R is going to be 6 plus 3, R is going to be 2 ohm. This is not our answer. Means अब यहाँ पे हमको सीरीज और पैरेलल दोनों कॉम्बिनेशन को यूज करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स मिक्स्ड कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करना पड़ेगा. मिक्स्ड कॉम्बिनेशन देखते हैं कैसा आएगा. हमने 6 ओम का एक रेजिस्टेंस लिया, we have taken the resistance of 6 ohm and we are making them in parallel and other resistance which we are connecting it in series. Now we will see what will happen. अब यहाँ देखें हम 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 will give the 2 upon 6. Okay. And 2 upon 6 means it is R equals to 6 upon 2, that is 3 ohm. Means here 3 ohm plus 6 ohm. So finally 3 ohm plus 6 ohm is giving us 9 ohm. So final answer which we are getting, both are in series. So it is 3 plus 6 ohm. It is going to be equal to 9 ohm. Means we have got the answer. We have to connect 2 resistances in parallel. 2 resistances हमको पैरेलल में कनेक्ट करना है और एक सीरीज में कनेक्ट करना है. We have to connect these 2 resistances in parallel along with in series the third resistance. So what we will get? We will get 9 ohm. हमको क्या मिल जाएगा? 9 ohm का रेजिस्टेंस मिल जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे कहा गया है 6 ohm 6 ohm. इनको हम कैसे यूज करें कि हमको 4 ohm मिल जाए. तो देखते हैं उसको भी. Again we will be having some combination of 6 ohm. अब यदि हम देखें यहाँ पे मैं 6 ohm और 6 ohm के 2 रेजिस्टेंसेस को सीरीज में कनेक्ट करता हूँ और एक रेजिस्टेंस को पैरेलल कनेक्ट करता हूँ तो क्या होता है देखते हैं. यहाँ पे हमने 2 रेजिस्टेंस, इन्हीं 2 रेजिस्टेंसेस को हमने सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर दिया, इसी रेजिस्टेंस को पैरेलल में लेके आ रहे हैं तो क्या होता देखते हैं. This 6 ohm plus 6 ohm will become 12 ohm because it is in series. This plus this 6 plus 6 will give the resistance in this divided connected with another resistance 6 ohm, 12 ohm. Now we'll see 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 12, which is going to be equals to 1 upon R. That is going to be 12. 6 2s are 12 and this. So finally what we are getting? We are getting 3 upon 12, which is 1 upon 4. Means the resistance which we have got 4 ohm. So finally we conclude with this, if we are connecting 6 ohm, two 6 ohm resistances in series along with one resistance in parallel, we are going to have 4 ohm. Okay. तो यहाँ पे देखने वाली बात है 6 ohm plus 6 ohm दो रेजिस्टेंसेस को हमने सीरीज में कनेक्ट किया है एंड देन वी हैव कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल, सो फाइनली वी आर गेटिंग द आंसर इन 4 मींस यहाँ पे सीरीज और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन को हमने यूज करके क्या बना लिया 9 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस एंड 4 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस बना लिया. इट इज प्रैक्टिकली कैन बी डन इफ we are not having the resistances. Say if you want 9 ohm resistance and then if you go to purchase these resistances and if it is not available and the shopkeeper says to you that 6 ohm resistance is available, and if you have studied this you can do it very easily. Okay, so this way what we have got an answer. Okay, now we will move the next question, which is here. Several electric bulbs designed on to be used on a 220 volt supply line are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in a parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? Now see, this question is based on electric power as well as Ohm's law. दोनों पे बेस्ड है. अब यहाँ पे देखें ये किस पे बेस्ड है? Ohm's law और इलेक्ट्रिक पावर सप्लाई पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है. तो यहाँ पे हमको 10 watt, first what we have to do, we must write down power is given to us 10 watt, electric supply is given to us 220 volt and maximum allowable current is given to us, that is 5 ampere. It is given to us. Now if we go through this, power is given to us. Okay, now if we want to calculate the resistance, so what we will be having, V is equal to I into R. The resistance required 220 divided by 5 is equals to R. So R which we are getting 5 4s are 5, 44 ohm. Now what we have got? We have got this 44 ohm. Now the question is, several electric bulbs designed to be used on a 220 volt supply lines are rated 10 watt. Are rated 10 watt. How many lamps can be connected in parallel with each other across the two wires of 220 volt line if the maximum allowable current is 5 ampere? 5 ampere current के लिए हमको करना है. ठीक है, so we can move with this. How we'll go, that we must see. We have calculated 4 ohm resistance. Now we know that power is equals to V into I, one thing. Okay, this we know that P is equals to V into I, we know that. Now if we want to know the resistance for this, how much resistance is here, so for that what we have to use, we have to apply V into V upon R, which is equals to P. Means it is going to be V square upon R, which is equals to P. Now R is equal to, that resistance we must know, so I am taking it as an Rn. I am taking it as an Rn. So Rn is here also. So Rn will be given by V square upon P. Okay. Now once we have got V square upon P, we know that the value of 220 multiplied with 220 divided by power, that is 10 watt. Okay. So here what we are having? We are having 22 4 8 4 1 0 cancel. So it is Now here we have got the R, which is the equivalent resistance, and here we have got Rn. Rn we will be calling it as a resistance of the bulb, and this is the equivalent resistance. Now if we divide it 4840, which we are calling it as an Rn, dividing it by R, which will give us the n number of resistances. So here 4840, which is divided by 44, will give the n. Now n it is going to be 110. So n number of, the question is how many lamps can be connected. क्वेश्चन क्या है, कितने लैंप्स को आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं पैरेलल में. सो वी कैन कनेक्ट 110 लैंप्स इन पैरेलल. ओके, this way we can go further for the questions. Now we'll go for the next one. Now here we have got a question. A hot plate of electric oven connected to a 220 volt line has two resistances, coil A and B, each of 24 ohm resistance, which may used separately in series or parallel. What are the currents in three cases? मीन्स इस क्वेश्चन को हम देखें तो इलेक्ट्रिक ओवन जो कनेक्टेड है 220 वोल्ट लाइन से कनेक्टेड है, उसको दो रेजिस्टेंसेस कॉइल ए एंड बी से कनेक्ट किया. ईच कॉइल इज हैविंग ए रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ 20 ओम. इनको हम सेपरेटली कनेक्ट करना है. आइदर वी कैन कनेक्ट इट सीरीज, आइदर वी कैन कनेक्ट इट इन पैरेलल. एक तो सीरीज में कनेक्शन कर सकते हैं, एक पैरेलल में कनेक्शन कर सकते हैं, और इंडिविजुअली वन का यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज थ्री केसेस आर गिवन. फर्स्ट विल गो विद द सीरीज. इन सीरीज, so if we go with in series, means the total resistance which we are going to have 24 plus 24, which is going to be 48 ohm. Okay, now we have to calculate the current, and we know that power which is equals to, no, it is not required power, it is V equals to I into R. Ohm's law is applicable here. Ohm's law applicable है. तो यहाँ देखें V कितना है आपका 220, R आपका आ गया 48, and this is I. Now we can calculate 24 times 11, 110. So what we are getting, I is equals to 110 24. We can easily calculate. Nearly this much. 40 okay, it is around near 4.5 ampere. Now if we take it in parallel, if we are taking it in parallel, what will happen, that we will see. Now the resistances which are connected like this, 1 upon 24, which is going to be 1 upon R, which is 2 upon 24, which is equals to 1 upon R, and R is going to be 24 divided by 2, that is 12 ohm. Now if we go with the Ohm's law again, V is equals to I into R. V is given to us, that is 220. I is that we have to calculate, and it is 12, which is equals to I. Now if we go with this, I is equals to nearly 1. 100. Okay. Nearly 18.3 ohm, ampere, sorry, that is ampere. Now this is in parallel. Now if we are using only one resistance, means 24 ohm, V is equal to I into R. R is given to us 24 and it is 220. So 220 divided by R, that is 24, which is going to be I. So that value we can also calculate. I is equals to 220 upon 24, that is 110 upon 12, or we can say 55 upon 6. 9.1 ampere. So here what we have got? We have got these three values: 4.5 ampere, 18.3 ampere, and this is 9.1 ampere. So when we are connected in series, what we are getting? We are getting 4.5 ampere because the resistance is more. When resistors are connected in series, they are giving more value. 88, 48. Here it is going to be half. 24 का half हो गया. और यहाँ पर only individual resistance which we are using, that is 24. If we are dividing, what we are getting? We are getting three values: 9.1 ampere, 18.3 ampere, and this 4.5 ampere approximately. So we can conclude with this: when we are connecting in series, we are getting this much current. We are connecting in parallel, we are getting this much current, and when we are connecting it in individually, means we are using only one resistance of 24 ohms. What we are getting? यहाँ पे हमको क्या मिल रहा है? 9.1 एम्पियर मिल रहा है. Now if we go with the next one, compute the power used in the 2 ohm resistor in each of the following circuits. 6 volt battery in series with 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistance, and 4 volt battery in parallel with 12 ohm and 2 ohm. Now in series, 6 volt battery in series with 1 and 2 ohm resistance, which are connected in parallel, in series, sorry. So if we are using 1 ohm plus 2 ohm, and we are supplying this with 6 volt, compute the power used in the 2 ohm resistor. अब यहाँ पे हम देखें कि करंट तो इसमें कितना फ्लो हो रहा है? आई फ्लो हो रहा है. 6 वोल्ट का सप्लाई, 6 वोल्ट का सप्लाई है, तो फर्स्ट हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे करंट V इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू आर से. आर की क्या इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस कितना होगा? यहाँ दोनों सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है. R इज इक्वल टू होगा 1 प्लस 2, दैट इज 3 ओम. Okay, so the current which we are going to which is going to be V upon I, V upon R. V is given to you 6 volt and 3. It is going to be 2 ampere. 2 ampere when connected means the power, the current which is flowing through this is 2 ampere, and we have P is equal to I square into R. If we are having P is equal to V into I, we can have V is equal to I into R into I. So ultimately what we are getting, I square R, which is the power which we are getting. We are applying this here. So here what we are getting, 2 square into R. R is 2 because we have to calculate 6 volt battery in series with a 1 ohm and 2 ohm resistance. What we have to calculate, compute the power used in the 2 ohm resistor only. So 2 ohm resistor, it is going to be 2 square means 8 watt. Okay. Now we will go with, this is the resistance which we have calculated here. Now we want to calculate when these two resistances are connected in parallel. अब इन दोनों रेजिस्टेंसेस को हम पैरेलल में कनेक्ट कर देंगे. तो पैरेलल में कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो 1 ohm and another is 2 ohm. They are connected in parallel with a 4 volt battery. It is like this. इस सर्किट को हमको इस टाइप से बनाना है. We have to make the circuit like this. This is a 4 volt and the current passing through this is this. Now here the current is I. Now first what we have to do? हमको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले we have to calculate the equivalent resistance which are in parallel. हमको जो रेजिस्टेंस है पैरेलल में वो कैलकुलेट करना है. तो 1 upon R is equals to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 2. It is going to be 2 plus 1, which is equals to 1 upon R. R is equals to 2 upon 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance which we have got of this circuit. हमको इसका equivalent resistance मिल गया. अब 4 volt, we know that V is equal to I into R. हमको I को कैलकुलेट करना है, V upon R. Now V is here 4 volt divided by resistance 2 upon 3. It is going to be 12 upon 2. It is going to be 6 ampere. We have got the value of current which is 6 ampere. Okay. Now we want to know the power, and power again we are going with I square R. Here we know the 6 square. R is we have to calculate. Now see here, the current which will be flowing through it will be having a value which is divided into this I1 upon I2. Now if it is I1 and I2 divided, means we have to calculate this current first. So we are assuming this I2 square R. Now see here 4 volt is applied over here, parallel connection है. In parallel connection we will be having the voltage across this. So I2 will be given by the 4 volt. This is the total current which is flowing through this. Okay. Now we want to calculate the current in individual resistances, means in 1 ohm and in 2 ohm. So I1 we have taken I1 ले लिया इधर, I2 ले लिया. We have taken I2. Now I2 will be given by what value? So 4 volt divided by 2 will give the 2 ampere. Okay. Now similarly if we go with the I1, so I1 will be also 4 divided by 1, that is 4 volt. 4 ampere, sorry. 4 ampere. So here what we are getting? We are getting this value of I2 which is equals to 2. So we can substitute it here. I2 square, that is 2 ampere square into R is 2. So 8 watt. If we are using this P1 and it has a P2, we can compare the resistance, compare the power, compute the power used in the 2 ohm resistors in each of the following circuits. So here we will be having the relationship P1 upon P2, which is going to be same 8 divided by 8, which is equals to 1. क्या होगा? P1 upon P2 यदि हम दोनों का पावर कंपेयर करते हैं, यहाँ 6 वोल्ट बैटरी है या 4 वोल्ट बैटरी है, बट ये कनेक्शन सीरीज में है, कनेक्शन पैरेलल में है, तो हम देखते हैं कि 2 ओम जब सीरीज में कनेक्ट होता है 6 वोल्ट के साथ में, तो इसको पावर कंजम्पशन कितना है? 8 वाट. सिमिलरली व्हेन दिस 2 ओम रेजिस्टेंस इज कनेक्टेड विद 1 ओम रेजिस्टेंस इन पैरेलल में कनेक्ट है और 4 वोल्ट का सप्लाई है, तो भी पावर कंजम्पशन कितना आ गया? हाउ मच पावर वी हैव गॉट? दिस इज 8 वाट. सो दिस वे वी कैन कैलकुलेट and we can do the numericals. Okay, we are concluding here this lecture.